Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 31st, 2024, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the Dow took a real hit today. Um, you can see here it actually went positive earlier in the day. Then it started going sideways, and then starting right about here, with an hour and a half to go or so, it first went up and then took this huge downside plunge the last 90 minutes of the day, and it closed down 317 points. Now, I have not had an opportunity to study the news. I'm not a big one on news anyway, but what appeared to have happened here, this is my interpretation now. The Fed announced right around here that they were going to leave interest rates alone. And I think initially the market reacted positively to that, thinking, well, good, they're not going to raise interest rates. And the stocks went up. And then somebody up here started thinking, well, hey, it's not good enough that they just leave it alone. They should drop interest rates, and they're not doing that. And with that realization, things are really sold off hard, and that's how we ended up down 317 points. Again, I don't know if this was really what was going on. This is just my speculation about what happened, but all this movement at the end of the day was news driven. I know that to be a fact. Okay, we had a terrible day. Yesterday, I told you we gained a total of about $103,000 in closed out trades, and basically today we're still carrying open trade, but if I count up the closed trades and the open trade, we gave back about half of those huge profits today. Really bad all-around day. We closed out negative $37,000 in 4 positions earlier today, and we're carrying negative 30,000 with 10 positions going into tomorrow. So add those two up, you got $67,000 there, and actually that exceeds half of our gains from yesterday. So this was not good, but things might get better by tomorrow when we're closing out these terrible positions we have. I'm going to show you just one market because it's interesting. This is RVSN, which is Rail Vision Ltd. And we had bought this on Monday on this pop. It closed against us on Monday, and then it gaps way up yesterday. And we get out right there, and we get out with positive $32,000 in profit. Then we get re-entered here, and we're being re-entered pretty much at the top of the move. It starts to slip, big move down here, and then it gaps down even more this morning, and we ended up getting out with negative $34,000 in losses. So this crazy stock, Rail Vision Ltd, we made $32,000 in profit yesterday, and then today we closed out with negative $34,000 in loss. So technically, in spite of this fantastic trade we have yesterday, we're negative $2,000 net trading this thing. I do note, however, that after making this horrible low way down here, it's starting to trend up, and this thing is so volatile. Don't think that this thing can't pop up, and we might end up getting back in it here, and who knows what happens then. Anyway, it's just a crazy, crazy stock, but we trade what we have, and we're not going to throw this one out of the portfolio. I assure you of that. Anyway, that's the way it went this Wednesday, and I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.